All right, so I'm doing I would say that I'm almost positive this is 19 years old. I'm going to say 18-year-old crash test. I finally found this Bible. Last time I was here, I couldn't find it. This is when church Bible publishers really first started. And even back then, you did get 2 ribbons, which was nice. This was a genuine Morocco bonded leather lined. So this is a genuine Morocco. In other words, it's a goat skin. And it has like a nice pebble grain. But this Bible, well, this was my favorite layout. And they don't make this layout no more. I wish they did. This was my favorite layout. And at the look of it, and the feel of it, it seems like it was a better paper back then. So I wish they'd go back to this paper. It just seems more opaque. I noticed on some notes I did years ago when I was a dispensationalist, of course it'd be in Revelation, right? That the bleed through, of course this camera's going to pick it up more, was not, there is no bleed through, but I mean the ghosting is not that bad. Where now with my turquoise that's in Water Buffalo, I'll be reviewing another Water Buffalo Bible here in a few minutes, so that should be up on my YouTube channel here soon. I just wanted to do this really fast, but there is no bleed through. I'd get bleed through on the newer paper. The paper feels a lot like the ESV wide margin heirloom. It's got that nice feel to it, but a little bit of that texture, not too coated. And I'm not getting any glare, and I'm outside, so yeah, this thing has had coffee spilt on it, and my dad used this Bible for many years, and I used it when it was new, put some notes in it, and then I got my own. So this was considered, I think, my first local church Bible, which is now CBP. I want to give church Bible publishers credit because it was them that actually put it together. But there it is, guys. That's what they looked like back in the day, and they had these little tiny etched in hubs, nothing that sticks out, kind of like, just how Allen does it. But these remind me a lot of Allen Bibles. You did have, on the inside, you did have this gold gilt little twine looking chain, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, this thing's still kicking. Yeah, my dad's using it again at church, so figured I'd do a quick video. Let me see what's in the back. I don't know if there was a concordance or anything. Yeah, there was, the old Oxford Concordance. So the same thing you would got in a Schofield or in a long primer has that concordance in the back. But yeah, it's pretty neat to see this thing. Yeah, so this thing could be anywhere from 18 to 20 years old. But I'll say 18 years old to be on the safe side. But until next time, guys, just something I thought you might be interested in. But good day, and God bless.